Welcome to Namir Science Lab. Give life to your drawing character. Go to this website called sketch.metademolab.com. Get to this website and get the instructions and press the get started button. Then upload your photo of a drawing. And here some drawings some did. Like there's some characters that you can do to upload. Now let's upload a photo. Go to your gallery and find a photo of your own choice. Then scan it to start. Now wait for a little time, then it will get scanned. Now you have to read all things. Then you have to agree. Then you have to press the agree button. If you press, you will start with the instructions. Now you have to activate the cam. We have to show the thing. Now when the thing is not shown brightly, you can go to the pen and fill in the things that's not on the board. Then the character of that thing can get on the board. Then you have to press the next button. Then you will get the cartoon alive. But you have to first adjust the dragging points. Then you have to drag all the points. Then press the next button. Then wait for seconds. Then wait. Then your cartoon animation will get ready. Then look down. There are some things you can see on the bottom. Now you can see all kinds of things. All dance, funny, jumping and walking. You can choose one of these. Now I put the dance. Now then you can go to the share button and press it. Then you can try it with other drawing. This is my sisters. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.